Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my kitchen. Grilling season is upon us here in northern New Jersey. I bought a new grill and I'm gonna do my first grilling of the season, and that's going to be a separate video. But what is essential during grilling, in my opinion, is a rub. So what I'm going to give you is a quick video on the rub that I use, and I make it in bulk, so this way I don't have to worry about it every time I go to grill and to make it. So the amounts that I'm giving you is going to make quite a bit, and it should get you through a couple grilling sessions. So anyway, this is what you're going to need. Okay, you're going to need a big bowl, obviously. You're going to need some cumin, and I will mention the amounts as I go through them. You'll need cumin, you'll need smoked paprika, celery seed, garlic powder. I'm going to put a little bit of cayenne in there. I'm going to put a little bit of chili powder in there, onion powder, pepper, oregano, thyme, and brown sugar, salt. So basically, you're going to put 4 tablespoons of garlic, 4 tablespoons of thyme, 4 tablespoons of onion powder, 4 tablespoons of oregano, 4 tablespoons of celery seed, 4 tablespoons of paprika, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons 2 tablespoons of cumin, half a tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of pepper, half tablespoon of cayenne. So we're going to start with the 4 tablespoon versions. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the oregano. 1, 2, 3, oops, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Onion powder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, thyme. 1, 2. This is going to be good for any meat, whether it's chicken, pork, or beef. Okay, garlic. 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe I said one tablespoon of cumin. Oh, almost forgot. Smoked paprika. If you don't want to use smoked paprika, use regular paprika. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the heat, I'm only going to put 1 teaspoon each of the heat. I'm afraid I might overdo it. That's chili powder. I should have went through them. Pepper, teaspoon of pepper. Cayenne. I'm not opening this one. Now you just mix it up. Salt. I'm always afraid I'm going to over salt. So we did 4 of most of them. Let's start with 4 tablespoons of salt. And see how that is. Now we're going to just you might have to break up that brown sugar by hand. That works quite well. So that's it. I'm going to put these on some ribs and some wings, and I'm going to throw some homemade barbecue sauce on them, and we're going to grill this afternoon. So anyway, John Campo, the Not So Neat Chef. Thanks for stopping by.